Hey guys, if you are looking for best Japanese chef knives, you chose right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best Japanese chef knives on market. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is Shun Cutlery Classic Chef's Knife. The Shun Classic 8 may not cut through bones, but it can handle light to medium tasks. These include anything from slicing apples to chopping and cutting through vegetables and meat. With a slightly curved 8 inches razor-sharp blade, you can tackle these and more kitchen chores in a breeze. This knife can cut under its own weight and features proprietary VGMAX steel. This means that you get a sharper edge that is incredibly strong and corrosion-resistant. Shun also throws in an ergonomically designed handle made of hardwood that won't give you wrist fatigue. And yes, the Shun Classic 8 is quite the looker. Now our second choice is Yashihiro Gyuto 8.25 Chef's Knife. If you are looking for a practical knife, you will find it in the Yashihiro Gyuto. A Gyuto knife is one of the most formidable tools a chef can have in the kitchen. While not as long as the conventional chef's knife, this is one of the most versatile knives you can lay your hands on. From cutting through fresh produce to carving roast chicken, this will be a faithful partner. The thin octagonal-shaped rosewood handle will give you ultimate control while working and prevent wrist fatigue. And the double-edged razor-sharp blade will give you the edge you need to prepare finger-licking meals. The VG10 stainless steel blade features 46 layers of softer Damascus layer for added durability and better edge retention. And its hammered texture reduces friction and prevents food from sticking to the blade. Now number 3. Miyabi Kaizen 8 Chef's Knife. The Miyabi Kaizen features an 8-inch VG10 super steel blade with a dazzling flower Damascus design. But what is more important is that the blade is subjected to an ice-hardening treatment for durability. And it is hand-honed to a razor-sharp edge that will effortlessly slice through meat and vegetables. Plus, it won't get blunt with use, so you can rest assured that the edge will remain sharper for longer. The comfortable D-shaped handle makes it easier to wield the knife and provides a firm grip that won't slip even when handled with wet hands. It looks good too. There's a beautiful black micarta lining complemented by red accent spacers and a silver-colored steel end. At number 4, Shun Premier Chef's Knife. Shun knives are usually handcrafted and hand-sharpened to a 16-degree cutting edge, and the Shun Premier Chef's Knife is no different. At first glance, you will notice the hammered finish plus mirror blade polish, giving it a sophisticated look. But its true beauty is its razor-sharp VGMAX blade that features 34 layers of Damascus steel on either side for durability. You can use this knife to cut, chop, and dice fruits, vegetables, and meat. And thanks to its contoured pack of wood handle that provides a firm grip, you can work without breaking a sweat. Additionally, the wide blade will help you to scoop stuff from the board without any hassle. At number 5, Zelite Infinity Santoku Knife. Right off the box, the Zelite Infinity Santoku Knife has a look that will blow you away. The Tsunami Rose Damascus pattern looks exquisite, but it's the hammered Tsuchime finishing that really kills it. Luckily, the Infinity Santoku goes beyond looks. The knife is perfectly balanced, giving you ultimate comfort and control. The large rounded handle will ensure you never experience any wrist fatigue. And it is triple riveted for extra strength and durability. Made of Japanese VG10 super steel, the blade doesn't disappoint either. Its razor-sharp 12-degree edge will bone poultry and pork like butter. Moreover, the 67 layers of high-carbon stainless steel guarantee its durability. All the products we mention are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.